So many plays. SRPT is also in play. Oh, man. One minute. Ooh, here comes our Roku.
Dump, baby. Give me that huge sell-off. Oh, Viab, don't catch it with 20 seconds left. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, TRM, LITE, I have a close order set for that too. Here we go.
Let's do this. I'm going to get short on Roku right now, half size using 53.
Nice.
Snap that for a quick pay. Come on.
Nice,
Boom.
nice, nice,
Boom.
nice.
My average 61. Give me a little bit more. Ah.
Tesla's starting to pop up here. Amazon short.
This is a buyer's candle. It's lingering on Roku. Dangerous here.
Connor, you're muted if you don't know.
Oh, I didn't know I was muted. Sorry about that. Yeah, so just watching Yelp right now.
Getting out of Roku.
Yeah, Roku, there's a squeeze on Roku.
Ooh, Yelp.
Yeah, Yelp just tapped the 50 moving average in the VWAP.
I'm going to short Yelp right now.
There's Tesla short, baby. Facebook.
Roku starting to push to the upside. There it goes, starting to rip.
Aw.
There's that Roku rip.
Wow, I just got filled super high on Yelp. That was that sucks. Yeah, they filled me very, very high on that trade. So currently long Yelp with 1,500 shares, and it's squeezing like crazy. Boom, and I'm getting out of that, just taking that profit right there. So just got myself a $463 win on the day with that long play. Probably could have held it longer, obviously, but that was beautiful. So start my day up $500. Tesla's starting to go down. Both Yelp and Roku are basically doing the same thing. They tried to push lower, shorts got squeezed, and now they're starting to spike. And Tesla's getting hammered right now, so keep that in watch.
Yeah.
Yelp's holding. One
Okay.
higher.
I missed my entry on my calls on 55.
The stock SGMO is squeezing right now. I'm actually going to maybe put that one on watch. Should I? I guess I could, but
I took an early small hit on shorting Roku.
Netflix is starting to squeeze here too.
I'm short Amazon here off that pop into the opening price, a little above, running into resistance.
Looks like TWLO is going to try and go through another push over 45, but it's really extended. I'm pretty nervous about trying to long that. Need to pull back first.
Boom, Yelp.
Yeah, Yelp's ripping. Oh man, if I would have held it, I would have been smarter too, but I guess a little jumpy here already this morning. So pretty big seller's candle here so far in Yelp. That's just now taking place. Big inverted hammer candle there at the top. Keep an eye on SGMO. I did hit the scanners. Just basically squeezed right out of the gates.
Roku's holding. Going long on Roku.
Yeah, I'm gonna maybe take that long, just maybe.
I missed my fill.
So we're still getting a seller's candle on VIAB. Just hit the scanners for high a day a few times.
Amazon's messing around with their trend
Oh,
line.
wow. Look at this. Look at this right here. I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to take Yelp off for right now. VIAB is going nuts.
Okay, so I'm long both Roku and Yelp right now. Yelp, I'm looking to take profits soon.
So I just entered long on Roku. You're going to see it just wants to squeeze up towards high a day. It looked pretty strong on that little pullback there. So I am in long. If it starts to break down, I'm going to exit since I got filled at the high, and it's already coming down. So I did get off.
Okay. Hold. Okay. Bye.
Boom, there's Amazon dump, guys. 50 shares, quick $100. I'm short Tesla off the VWAP projection.
So it took a small loss there on the Roku long. I should have known better than to take it that high, but
yeah,
that's okay. Watching VIAB here, it's very interesting.
Oh, Amazon, that's my girl. We have 50 shares at 1884.91, still full size. Oh, run, baby.
So VIAB still holding up right now.
Panic. I'm not going to get greedy, took it off there. Big winner, 326 on Amazon, 50 shares. Still short for the VWAP projection on Tesla here, red 51.
I might look to take VIAB short if it starts failing this pullback. Still holding up pretty well. Roku's starting to get a little bit choppy there.
so
all right, I'm entering short VIAB to see if it kind of pulls back to the 9 moving average here. So I am in short VIAB. Is this the pullback or is it the dump? Currently short VIAB, starting to come down. Not too fast. Not liking how slow it's going on this dump.
Boom, Yelp.
Yelp's crazy.
So I just exited VIAB. Wasn't liking how slow it was taking for it to crash. I figured we'd get an instant push. I could already see buyers coming back in on that red candle, so I decided to exit. We didn't get that swift push that I was anticipating. So I'm going to leave it alone.
Boom, Roku.
Oh, Roku, dang it. She's ripping and I missed it.
Tesla dumping.
Yeah, Tesla's getting annihilated. Good trade if anybody took Tesla or Roku there.
Boom, Yelp.
Nice.
Yelp and Roku just booming.
I just caught back all I've lost in the morning.
Good job. Yeah, I kind of butchered the trade there on Roku a little bit. Or not Roku, Yelp earlier. So VIAB just basically broke down. So could have held short a little longer. I think I'm a little jumpy after taking that loss, or a little bit cautious after taking that loss yesterday, which isn't a bad thing, I guess.
Gonna wait for Yelp to pull back a little. I took off all my position.
I'm starting to like VIAB, possibly for a long. It's a big pullback. It's a very drastic pullback. So I'm just watching it for right now. See what this daily chart looks like on VIAB. Yeah, I guess it's kind of shooting up towards a resistance.
Roku's over all of its resistances now. If it consolidates and runs, it can go.
Yeah.
Wow, that'd have been nice.
Any big dip, I'm gonna long Roku here.
Yeah, Roku's too extended right now, guys. So do be careful if you're gonna try and trade that. You know, you gotta wait for a pullback there. Got some buyers coming back in on VIAB, but that was a very, very big pullback, which makes me think that it's going to be very challenging for that to make it back up towards high a day. But this is the first pullback. Just seeing how it reacts. Tesla is getting hammered right now.
Here comes a quick pullback on Roku here. Let's see if it gets back down to 54 and hold.
Boom, Tesla all out. Boom. God, got filled at the bottom of the candle. Awesome.
It's always a good feeling. No,
Yes.
geez. It's the worst.
No, I feel like covered my short at the bottom of the red there.
I gotcha.
I shorted the VWAP projection on
Yelp.
Tesla and Amazon's dump this morning, so I'm good. I'm just gonna sit back for a little bit, check this out.
All right, I'm gonna take a long here on VIAB. It's right on the VWAP and it held pretty good. So my risk on VIAB long is gonna be a break below the VWAP. So if it starts to break below that, I'm not gonna risk it and I'll just exit immediately.
Oh, Roku's still going. Oh my God.
And Thinkorswim's starting to freeze a little bit on us, which is not cool. So currently long with 2,400 shares on VIAB. Still got sellers coming in. It was a pretty drastic pullback, but I did like the way it was sitting on the VWAP as support. So I'm giving it a chance to see if it has a little spike in it.
Okay, I'm long Yelp.
Already not liking how slow the movement is on VIAB here, but I'm going to give it a second longer, and it's already breaking down. So I'm going to take that off. It's just not moving the way I would like it to.
Come on, Roku. Oh, it's not giving me a chance to get in, is it? 55.
Yelp's going through a pretty good pullback here.
I'm already long on Yelp on this little sit around at 45.5.
Yeah, those too drastic of a pullback on VIAB.
Netflix, Facebook.
So sitting up on the day, $300. Still not trading the way I would like. So I'm gonna take a second here. Netflix is pushing pretty good here.
Okay, just gonna cut on Yelp here real quick. I want to get in good on Yelp.
Roku. Oh, no signs of stopping yet.
VIAB is actually starting to look pretty weak to the downside. Starting to break through the VWAP a little bit.
Okay, I'm going to long Roku here.
Wow, Amazon ripping, but I covered that great.
All right, guys, I actually just entered short on VIAB. It's breaking down the VWAP and it's approaching the 9 moving average. So I'm gonna see if this wants to break the 9 and start heading back down. It's starting to push that direction, so we'll see. It's holding right now, so I might exit if it starts pushing up here.
Well, I didn't even realize how well Yelp squeezed over my orange line there. Nice.
Boom, let's go, Yelp. Here we go. Come on, breakout 46.
Tesla rejected here.
There we go.
Look at Yelp. So still holding short on VIAB, looking for this to start breaking down. It's starting to push now. So it's looking for a swift dump on VIAB would be beautiful.
Ooh, Yelp. Keep going, keep going. Still holding.
Oh my! If you would have caught the bottom on Amazon, it's made 20 points. Oh my God.
Take some on Yelp.
So VIAB having a tough time breaking down here, still holding. There she goes. Yeah, 30/30s was the level that needed to break on VIAB. It's starting to break down now. So getting ready to cover some up. Oh, I missed the take there at the bottom because I was too busy fiddling around. Oh, it's already getting squeezed back up. Dang it, Connor.
Tesla gonna start crashing here.
Just missed the take on VIAB for about a $400 to $500 win because you're too busy changing around your order a little bit. So just being patient now, waiting for another retest of the low, see what that offers. I'm gonna downsize here, take off a little bit. So I just took off majority of my order just to make sure I lock in some money here on that trade. If worse comes to worse and this goes against me, just coming back down. So still holding short here on VIAB, being patient with 1,500 shares. Currently up about $500 on the stock now today, so that's good. She's down testing that 20 moving average, or the $30 price point, shall I say. I'm being patient. This thing has failed all squeezes so far, and sellers are stepping in here. So I think we're going to get another push to the downside to at least test the $30 price point. Now buyers are stepping up, so we might get a tad squeeze before that. Still holding short on VIAB. Is anybody short on VIAB with me right now, or got in short when I was getting short?
Yelp's about to pop here.
I'm going to cover up another 500 shares here on VIAB. Only have 1,000 shares left on the trade.
Big pullback on Amazon. Taking a long scalp on the bottom of
Look
this
at
candle.
VIAB, beautiful. All right, I think this is a good area to cover up those last 100 shares, or sorry, 1,000 shares, or right on the VWAP. But we also have more sellers than we do buyers at this point, so maybe I should just give it another second here. It's now currently below the 20 moving average. It's starting to squeeze a bit, and that's where I'll take it. So all out of VIAB for a good solid win. Currently sitting up now $760 on the day.
Oh,
Good
nice.
stuff.
We'll point off that.
Old
Apple's starting
classic
to grow tonight.
rollover VWAP breakdown. We got some more stocks hitting high day scanner here. IDSA, don't know if it's good or not. Just first time taking a look at it. No, it is not. Don't mess with that. TWLO is pushing to the upside. That's a fact. MU is on the scanners for a bounce. That was way long ago. That's completely irrelevant now. Yelp. So I'm gonna go back to watching Yelp and what's it? Yelp and
Yeah, it's your end.
Roku.
I longed it when it had that big two 1 minute red candles in 1890, and it bounced back up for a scalp, 1.5 on it.
Yeah, I kind of missed that Tesla bounce there at the bottom, 350. That would have been a good little bounce play.
Come on, Roku.
Apple's looking strong here.
Squeeze, baby, squeeze.
Roku, yeah, that's makes sense. It's popping that hard. A lot of people probably piled in short, thinking that was a top. Yelp looking a little bit weak too, but I'm not going to short right now. There's just no certainty. This is the backside for either Yelp or Roku. So taking a short now is just kind of like, I don't think so. All right, cool. Just got an alert for STX reversal. So let's see what we got here. STX, I don't think I'll pass on that for right now. Too low volume-ish, and it's not really a significant move to the downside yet. So, unless it's on a key level support, which I don't know if it is. So let me check. Nothing on the 5-day chart, and nothing on the 20-day. But the 180-day, and 180-day proves we are through that support. It's coming. It's kind of on a support area, you could argue. So I'm going to be watching maybe a bounce here on STX, probably around like 51 area, $51, see if it gets that low. That's where I'd probably take a bounce trade, but I still don't really like the movement on it yet. So being a little bit more patient today rather than getting all my guns blazing and jumping around, because clearly that didn't work out so hot for me yesterday, so maybe I should chill out today.
Boom, Roku. Come on. Up and over.
Yeah, with that kind of push, Amazon will be fine.
Market right now, overall, is just a little bit very choppy, not really doing a whole lot, guys.
Push.
Ooh.
There it is.
Roku.
Good job. So I'm going to pull up Yelp again. Yelp and Roku are like almost the exact same thing today.
Those are my longs, baby.
I should have known better just to hold my first trade on Yelp a little longer. I just seen that big green going up, like, oh, money, 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 and P&L got to my head a little bit. But I guess coming off a $2,000 loss yesterday, I want to make some back for sure. Tesla is looking a little bit little bit squeezy, possibly. Yelp
So,
looks weak, but that candle on the current chart, this big kind of inverted hammer candle, looks a little fakey to me. Kind of reminds me of Tesla yesterday.
So on the 5-minute chart, Yelp is looking pretty overextended. As long as it holds 46, though, it's pretty safe to long.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of watching, that 46
I'm in Roku
area.
here.
So you
Long
wanna-
scalping.
Roku,
Tesla.
I'm still holding.
Boom.
Roku's just going nuts. So what Roku's 52-week high is like 58. Great job, Matrix, on that kill there. Yelp is starting to look a little bit better for the long. It's got a nice curl to it. I do want to take it. Am I going to not take it? I think I should just not hesitate. We'll see. I was a little high in that candle. I'd rather get it lower.
Okay, so I have 100 shares left on Roku. My average is 54.67. I'm just gonna let it hold, reset my stop here, 54. I'll do 54.70s.
So Roku, or not Roku, Yelp's going through kind of like a pullback consolidation phase. It could actually be leading into a small bullish pennant pattern. Hasn't yet performed because we need another higher low here to confirm that it is a pennant, but it's having some trouble.
There we go. Cashed out the calls on Roku.
You guys are killing it on Roku. Good job.
Roku! That's a point and change, buddy. Let's go.
Yeah, I took those 55-50 calls.
All right.
Money.
Yelp's trying, man. It's really trying. What's up with this 46.56 here? Is there something there I'm not seeing?
It's getting close, 46.56 from May
Yeah.
22nd.
Yeah, it's getting up there towards resistance on Yelp. It's starting to roll pretty good. I don't know. I might even take this short. Let's see. Still got buyers coming in.
It's still early though. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. So
yeah, you're right. It's still pretty early. I think I'm gonna take it long here.
it's just consolidation right now.
It looks like it wants to break.
Yeah.
All right, I'm long on Yelp. See if we can get this to push up over the 50, or not the 52-week high, the high.
0.50.
Yeah, so currently long with.
Boom! There you go. There you go.
Boom. That's what I'm talking about.
There you go.
And I'm selling 1,000 shares there, and I'm going to leave my 500 shares on, see how those work out. I know we're up towards resistance, and I knew that this pop over could easily fail, so I did take majority of my shares off there at the high of 46.74, still holding 500 shares, see how these react. We just broke through high a day. I know other people are looking to sell once it broke through. That's why we got that drastic pullback. Now it gave a new opportunity for buyers to get back in on the low of that green candle. So I think we're going to try at least push over 46.74. Might pull back first before we do that.
46.5 is holding. Come on, hold.
Come on, hold Yelp. Hold that. Hold it. Hold. Keep holding. Now keep pushing. Let's go. Push up to 47. Give me another $500 on this trade.
Yeah, it'll get there, man. It'll take some
Yeah.
time, right?
Yeah, I mean, this wouldn't really make sense for it to reverse here. At least you'd think.
No, too early.
Nah, she's gonna go in. It's got run.
I wanna hop in, but I'm waiting for a nicer entry around the 46.5.
I might take 250 off on a good push towards 47.
It's gonna magnet 47. Like now that it's holding 46.5.
Yeah, it's holding 46.5 pretty well. We've had a couple tests on 46.5 with Yelp, so you're right. It may not just be that quick, massive push that I want, but
It's gonna magnet. Don't worry. See, it's already past 75 mark, so it's gonna magnet. Just be patient with it. As long as 46.5 holds, right?
All right, beautiful.
I want to get in on small size. Jeez. Do I want 25 cents?
I don't think it's worth it right here.
No. It's not worth it for me. Worth it for you to hold. What's your average on it?
So it's coming down. We'll see. We'll see what this does. Still holding the 46.5s.
Yeah. Roku's still ripping.
Yeah, Roku's just not hesitating to screw short sellers today.
So
yeah. Come on. Oh, Yelp almost had it in you right there, buddy.
Trust me, you rather it slowly grind up than pop and drop if you're long. I mean, it's
true.
forming higher lows.
Yeah, each 1 minute candle is forming a higher low. So
yeah,
that's another thing, guys. If you look at each 1 minute candle,
there's your pop. There.
There
Nice.
she goes.
Nice patience, Connor. Nice exercising patience. Don't worry, it's gonna hold. I mean, worst comes to worst, you get out 46.5, right?
I just took 250 shares off.
Yeah,
so 250 ride.
You have nothing left in there, so it's fine. Let it make a bonus for you. Maybe it could rip a few more points on 250. Come on.
It's coming to the 9. It's testing that. It's coming to test the trend line that it broke from its previous high a day. It did respect the 9 and that trend line, so that is a good sign.
Come on, Roku.
I think that was a well-needed
pullback. Come on, Roku.
Huge. Roku's just ripping right now.
Come on, baby. Smash 56. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Smash.
No resistance. Let's go.
Ooh, MUR just got annihilated today. Not gonna mess with that. Learned my lesson yesterday. Ooh, ACAD having a pretty good day here. Yelp still just kind of consolidating, hanging out.
Do it.
Give me it.
Yeah.
Look at that. Good kill, guys. Absolutely beautiful.
All right, I'm out. All out right there.
Sitting up $1,000 on the day. I think I'm just going to exit on, take my smaller little win on Yelp here. Oh, he's still holding. I guess I'll hold until she successfully breaks 9, in which she's starting to.
I'm watching Amazon here, guys.
A lot of buyers still coming in there on Yelp, so I'll hold. Tape still green. Yeah, Roku's getting up there, guys. She's getting a little bit extended. But
I'm good.
I just took another half off.
Good.
Good stuff. Yeah, Roku's just nailing the high day scanner. But we also have an alert on Roku for a topside reversal. Okay, so do note that the scanners are now saying Roku's headed towards a topside reversal. So start being a little cautious on the longs. I still think it has room to run, but we are getting alerts now for reversal there.
Yeah, it's here, Ryan. It's actually hitting the trend line right now as it's coming down. So I just snagged a few shares there at 18.90.30.
And here we go.
Starter size.
Yelp trying to move higher here. I think.
Wow, that was a quick $50.
I think it's got a minute.
Connor, you still got that 250 on Yelp?
I've still got 250 shares riding Yelp right now. I know this is a little bit longer than you normally find me in a trade, but hey.
It's fine.
It actually needs a VWAP test or some moving averages test on Amazon yet. But we'll see.
If Yelp stays like this, it could turn into a steady grind all day, but struggling at
Roku.
46.85. Roku's still ripping faces off, making names.
Wow.
All right, I'm going to just call it on, I'm going to take it off here on Yelp. I'm giving up. Enough holding for me. I took my 250 shares off, called my win. What's that going to set me at? It sets me at 980.
CDNA is about to run. Oh, there it goes.
CDNA?
See, I was watching CDNA off scanners.
Oh,
and,
wow. Or
they
wait.
recovered the 200.
What the hell?
Carvana. Yeah.
Okay, so
Carvana, CVNA.
Connor, don't look at Yelp.
I know. I'm already salty. I'm already salty. Already very salty about that. But
There's
hey,
Amazon, baby.
all good.
$100.
So beautiful trading so far today. Pretty consistent. Much better than the approach yesterday. That's for sure.
Go Roku.
Come on,
So this
Amazon,
last
squeeze.
50 shares on Roku, I'm going to take off my last 50 at around $57.
What do you guys even think about shorting Roku? Too strong of a bull run. Shorts.
Yeah. Too strong of a bull one. If anything, I'll wait for the backside around 1 p.m.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. I don't really think there's going to be much great shorting opportunity other than primarily scalps, and
Yeah.
I don't think I want to risk it with Roku today.
Yeah.
Not in the mood to lose any money at this point.
Looking for a big Amazon pop here, but I don't know if we're going to get it or not. It could just continue to test trend line down.
So I did take a big hit on Yelp this morning trying to short it. But now I'm green. I will show you guys the P&L later. It's crazy. Like I took 400 shares out of gate short and I got hit on that squeeze candle. Second minute.
There's those big Facebook sales, baby.
Just
Beautiful
got
shorts.
no.
Every one of my calls were, oh, fuck. I hate when that happens.
Tesla 5-minute chart's getting a lot of buyers candles, but the 1-minute chart looks disgusting.
Okay, I'm all out Roku. It's 10 o'clock. I'm all out. Up $200 on the day. Lots of tickets.
How's everybody doing in the trading room so far here at about 10 o'clock? Everyone making out pretty well so far? Mason's green. ADR's green. T. Ryan, you're green. Billy, green. Lewis, you're only red $8. That's good. EO's green 220. Rickson, green. I stopped your green.
Very nice.
Doing green. 5-day green streak for Andre. Nice. Lear is green 60. Dan's up 130.
Oh, everyone's green.
Riz is effing killing it. Good job. T40 green. A-Team's green. Ty Guy, you're green on your Tesla. Nice. J Money's red. It's all right, brother.
Okay, what'd you get on Tesla? Are you following my trade on Tesla?
ADR's got 4-day green streak going. Green 48. Holy smokes.
That's right.
Hey, Connor, don't look at
don't. I know. I already read it in the chat room. Mike said Yelp is squeezing right now, and I'm probably going to look at it, and I'm going to hate myself. I'm going to look at Yelp right now. I'm going to hate my decision, and what I'm going to decide. Oh, looks like I'm going to quit my trading career because apparently I'm just going to be a salty person after that one.
That's another $120.
Yeah, seriously, there goes. Yeah, that would have been another like $500 for that trade. Yikes! That's okay.
It's good. It's good.
You know what I mean? It is what it is, right? There's another day, there's another dollar, or there's another trade and another loss, depending on how you look at it. But
so interestingly, on Yelp here, we got the 3 green candles looking at 9:42 a.m., 9:52 a.m.
What are you looking at?
3 green candles on the 1-minute chart. So 9:42.
What stock?
9:52 Yelp.
Oh, Yelp. Okay.
And 10 a.m. So you can connect the bottom of these 3 green candles. This is a nice trend here.
Yeah, I kind of missed. If you look at Yelp from its 950 candles to the 958 candles, I didn't recognize it before, but there was a small little bullish, like ascending pennant triangle that was forming in. I jumped the gun on the exit before allowing that to work out. But hey, Sydney, you're up $390 on Yelp. Great job. That's what I like to hear.
Sick.
Yeah, the money also comes from helping the good callouts, in which I'll give credit due where it was due to Matrix and Brandon. So thank you guys too as well.
Oh wow! Look
at
Yelp. Let's not look at Yelp.
Oh my god, I'm so salty.
Imagine if you shorted that resistance thing.
Oh yeah, if you would have shorted, it would have been crushed. That would have been rough. That would have been absolutely rough. I got an alert here for AYX, but that was at 10:01. And what time is it? It's 10:02, so it's a relatively new alert. AYX. Oh, it's pushing. It's a steady uptrend for sure. I don't know how much I really like it. It's a good uptrend. Where's the resistance? There is no resistance into a 52-week high, so you have to go by every 50-cent whole dollar mark on AYX. Do I like the range? 55 to 50. Wow, that's a pretty good range. Yeah, 2 candles in AYX moved $1.24. That's not bad at all.
So I'm pretty much done trading for the day so far.
It's a possible higher low there, or lower high on Roku, but I'm not shorting that. I don't trust that. So, anywho, we're going to end the recording there for everybody here on YouTube, guys. So again, guys, if you're following along watching this trade recap video on YouTube, feel free. You can always reach out to any one of us in our chat room. The chat room link is located in the description of the video, or you can always follow the first link in the video of this, or in the description of this video to join our private group. So everybody, thank you for tuning in.
Wow, I can't believe I took a